Okay, there we go. So, say hi.
Hi.
So the floor's going. So there's our closet. We're on the stairs. So there's the closet. And you can see right down to our basement. Isn't that nice? It's amazing what you find when you pull up floors. So we find more and more about how hodgepodge this place is.
Yep.
It's put together.
Very
So
old.
yeah, those are shingles underneath our floors. Whoever laid these. Goodness gracious. We found these in the other floor too.
Oh, you can see the basement.
Yep.
You can see the basement.
There's the headers. So lots and lots of good progress today. There's our wall. So this is the second wall. We got that out. And now they've got half this wall going back in now. And then there's the floor. So the floor is on its way. Hey, TJ. Right. There's current progress. There we are.